Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are well. Today I will open it up and show it to you in the video. It looks so beautiful. It is charged at 5 volts. It takes about 30 minutes to fully charge. An indicator LED lights up during charging. It ignites a fire when it is opened. It is equipped with technology that switches itself off after 10 seconds. This technology is very good for security. Remove the screw, and it will be exposed. Switching takes place when the opener is moved, and the filament heats up and fires when the two connectors are connected to the circuit. It uses a small battery of 3.7 volts and only 180 milliamperes. Other electric lighters may have lower or higher ampere batteries. The metal box of the instrument is sealed with thick Scotch tape so that it cannot be combined with the circuit. Switch associated with the fire opener. It switches on when the door is open. It's just a circuit. Here are 2 probes for its connection. It is an electric fire and heating element. It is mainly made of chromium wire. Its filament is lit only when negative and positive electricity are connected to its 2 connections. This is the electric lighter, which is such a small gadget but very essential. Now I'm setting everything up to reset it. You can use the trick I showed to attach the spring that connects to the opener. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and comment if necessary. Good luck.